Hey, good morning, and thank you for joining Uncle Mike for the Dow Directions, a technical analysis of the Dow. Well, from what I said yesterday, the bottom of this GAN fan did hold, and you can see it's barely holding. We're peaking below. That's an ominous sign for prices possibly diving down into the lowest quadrant. You can see that we're below the moving averages. They're starting to tilt downwards. We're under the T8, the 10, and the 50 exponential moving average. We need to get above the 50 and hold. You can see from the 50 for quite a while. We peaked above. We were unable to hold. That was a failure. So now we'll need to get above and see if we can hold above this and stay above. If not, we may retest the lows. And the 200-day moving average is now under 10.5. Actually, let's see what it is. 10.404. So that is slowly coming down. We'll see where that ends up. Okay, let's take a look at our short-term support and resistance for the Dow. And we broke below that downside level of 82.84, and that happened 5 days ago, which is still a bearish sign. Let's take a look at our DT trend analysis for the Dow. On the trend analysis, it broke below the uptrend line of 86.04 22 days ago. This is a bearish sign, and the current uptrend line, it has an ending point at 10.423, and that should provide resistance if we ever get that high, if we can get over 9,000. Okay, let's take a look at the MACD. I like to change these up for you. The MACD is a crossover signal, and the MACD currently is bearish, trading below its line. It's below the 7 period. It signaled 7 periods ago. The Dow has decreased an average of 4.22% from that time, and that's not too hard to do when it lost 4% in one whole day, if you remember correctly. Let's look at some momentum indicators. We have the stochastic oscillator. Again, remember that's banded by above 20 for a trigger level, and above 80, below 20. The stochastic oscillator is at 31.63, so it is down near an oversold level. The RSI, Relative Strength Index, is above 70 and below 30. The current value of the RSI is 40.85, so again it's getting down towards the oversold level. And the Commodity Channel Index, the CCI, is banded from 100 to minus 100, and the current value of the CCI is minus 89. So again, that is near a bottoming area. And based on that, there was a buy signal a day ago, on the CCI channel. Okay, let's go down to our Chandé chart checkup. Price's bias is downward. Price's intermediate term is still trending. Kind of a note on this, we're showing extraordinary price action to the downside. You can see that swift little movement down, and then now we're trending or channeling. The upper bound is 88.48 now. The lower bound is 73.52. So look for those levels as support and resistance. And thank you for joining Uncle Mike. I will see you this weekend. I'll do an update, and we'll do a monthly, weekly, yearly chart on the Dow. Thanks. Have a great day.